Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. You can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store about the name YouTube. Okay. By the way, my next video is about to all paranormal investigator who are based in the Philippines. I urge you to all of you, welcome to subscribe my YouTube account in this video, because I've been observing all provinces, majority all provinces, not only in Metro Manila, like the issue until now, until now. Itong, I think you're familiar yung Balete Drive. Actually, hindi pa yan nasosolve. Kasi maraming, not only maraming issues, although mas maraming kababalaghan. Lalo na yung White Lady. May iba pang version daw, yung Puno, yung Balete 3. Kasi aside sa Balete Drive sa Metro Manila, yung Quezon City, meron din sa other provinces. Ang isa ko pang nakita yung yung sa Antique, Balete 3 or Balete Drive ng Antique. Yan. So, pero only few paranormal investigator na nag-i-investigate pa. Not all. So, that's the reason why I make this video with a purpose. I do not make video without a purpose. Ito kasi may main purpose. So, yun. So, yun, very significant po para sa akin ito. To all paranormal investigator na nakabase dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit ko nasabing all? Kasi may iba, may similar provinces, may same place. So, yun. But not all provinces. Kasi they need to travel. Una is gagastos pa kayo sa halimbawa land trip. May iba nagsasakay pa barko, meron pa kayong materials, equipment to be needed. So just imagine kung whole Philippines, so they will travel Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Come to imagine, we are more than 1,700 7,107 more than pa na islands. Can you imagine? So may purpose po ito. By the way, kung meron kayong YouTube account, mga paranormal investigator, kasi may iba kasi kung siyempre kung maraming clients Manila, hanggang Manila lang. Paano naman yung ibang provinces na nagsasuggest? So yun. So I urge all paranormal investigators who are based in the Philippines, I welcome you to all subscribe my YouTube account, kasi meron akong i-mention na other videos na may kababalaghan or mysterious places na hindi talaga nasosolve until now. May iba na namatay na, tapos bigla nagpapakita or nagpaparamdam, or ano kaya ibig sabihin. So yun. So itong video na ito may purpose. Hindi ako gagawa ng video kung walang purpose, para sa mga paranormal investigators na nakabase dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.